Imagine meals that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also actively work to reduce inflammation in your body. Foods that are not simply sustenance, but also a form of medicine. We're talking about meals made with ingredients known for their natural anti-inflammatory properties. These are meals that support heart health, aid digestion, and promote recovery, enhancing your overall well-being. Whether you're juggling a hectic work schedule, managing a bustling household, or just find yourself constantly on the go, there's no need to compromise on health. You'll soon discover that eating healthy can be as simple as it is effective. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be difficult, just simple, consistent, and effective. Ever wondered how certain foods can help fight inflammation in your body? The answer lies in the healing power of nature and the incredible benefits of anti-inflammatory foods. Inflammation is your body's natural response to protect itself against harm. However, chronic inflammation, which is prolonged and low grade, can contribute to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain types of cancers. But here's the good news. You can combat inflammation by making simple changes to your diet. Anti-inflammatory foods are rich in antioxidants, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to inflammation. So, what are these anti-inflammatory foods? They include leafy greens like spinach and kale, fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, and spices like turmeric and ginger. These foods are not only packed with antioxidants, but also provide a host of other benefits.